Alright, so we are revamping, just painted it and stuff like that. My old Hell's Forge for John. And we're about to do an engraving on it. Because he likes horses. Hey, how's it going?
I was going to, but I thought you could like click the button.
Oh, no. So I'm thinking turn it like that.
See Mike on the camera.
Show Mike. There you go. That's funny. Alright. Now you're in the way. Here we go. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
I think it'll look cool right there.
Yeah.
Then we can just come back to the final product.
Alright.
Awesome. Alright. Alright. Going for the last pass. This part went a little bit low, but we actually like the way that it's looking. The colors on it are turning out amazing. He's not doing anything but sitting there. Yeah. Do you like it?
No.
No. Alright, well that's it. Thing turned out pretty dang cool. Turn it around a little. There we go.
Not so good at this YouTube thing.
Bye.